Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're looking at the various stages of caramel, from light to medium to dark amber to burnt. Here we go. Make sure you never stir your caramel when your sugar and water are cooking. We always swirl the pan so that we can evenly disperse the sugar and the water. Take the back of a spoon, dip it in, and we're going to brush it on a piece of white parchment paper. That will allow us to see the exact color that it is inside, because it can be very tricky looking inside the pot due to shadows, due to lighting, etc., etc. These are your caramels. And that's that's stupid. I want to do the double guns. And that's just the tip. I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know, what tips do you need?